Before we get started, there's a special discount link for Infatuation Scripts program in the description of this video. Have you ever felt as if you don't know how to flirt? Do the same things keep happening to you relationship after relationship? For me, that was the case. At first, I couldn't understand why I was so bad at dating. I had some amazing friends, but I couldn't even tell if someone liked me. Well, after some research, I finally understood that some people are just born that way. However, I knew that if I put my mind to it, I could develop those skills. So, I came across many methods of flirting. However, I saw a review for the Infatuation Scripts, and it sounded interesting. I gave it a chance, and I was mind-blown. About the product. The Infatuation Scripts is an outstanding ebook that teaches us the basic rules of straight love. See, people think that relationships are all about being spontaneous and letting things be. However, there's always a part where you have to put the work. But how to do that? Well, this ebook is the answer to that question. In essence, it contains everything you need to start understanding the male brain. Relationships, especially in this era, are not that intuitive as people think. Sometimes, you'll need to make conscious efforts to improve your relationship. Also, with technology and social media, we have a completely different way of flirting. So, there's some learning to do. Here, you'll find the knowledge you need to motivate him to be by your side. Then, to keep your love healthy and updated. Relationships take work. However, there are many ways to do it right. This program is one of the best. It's all about instincts. One of the most powerful things I learned here was the importance of instinct. Relationships have many layers. A layer we tend to overlook is the one that deals with our instincts. This is important because instincts are potent feelings. Because of that, they are great to solidify a relationship. In essence, there are certain ways to have a good environment for a relationship. Understand his social and biological motivations. Learn how to arouse and satisfy his instincts. Know that intimate, almost secret, side of him. Let him know he can be himself around you. When you can play his instincts like a guitar, he'll be yours forever. Listen, you're not forcing anyone to do anything. Instead, you created a good prospect for him to want to be with you. Of course, you'll also know how to make him stay. Find the love that you want. To be honest, the program was working very well. So much so that I was dating a dreamy guy, and everything was going well. However, by following the book's advice, he became more and more honest. The problem with that is that sometimes you can learn things you didn't want to know. So, in the end, things didn't work out. At the time, I was sad. However, now I'm grateful that I was able to decide what was healthier. Also, that failure brought me to my new boyfriend. Sometimes, we don't want to realize that the guy we want is not the best for us. However, with programs like this, maybe you'll find something you don't want. But in the end, you'll get the best you can. How the program works. The guide covers everything there is to know about the mind of men. In essence, you'll learn about all the points that make them feel fulfilled in a relationship. Then, how to use that in your favor. How to talk to each other, learn about the art of conversation and texting. Gender roles, love them or hate them, they are real, learn how to navigate them. Daily life, understand how to nurture your relationship, make him want to be with you. Reaffirming relationship, always know how much you love each other, create the best relationship for you too. Take what works for you and apply it to your relationship. According to everyone, including myself, you'll see an incredible improvement. Final verdict. Sometimes, we choose to keep doubting us instead of accepting that we can change things. This program is a game changer for anyone who wants to take control of her romantic life. Just after some days, you'll notice a great improvement in how you relate with men. Improve your romantic and social life now. Infatuation Scripts program download now, and improve your sexual life. Just click on the link below.